Imran, what's going on? What are you doing? Excavator? You're playing with excavator?
No.
Excavator. Wow. What else? Wow. Are you digging some dirt?
No.
Oh, this is what? Bulldozer? Oh, this one doesn't work. You make a dirt here. You make a whole big pond, kind of pond. Look at the other one.
Huh?
Yeah. Careful. That's excavator, and this is dump truck. Okay, it is.
Caterpiller.
Are you excavating more
No.
with this excavator?
No.
Wow, this is a big caterpillar.
What?
Oh, you took a lot of dirt. You took a lot of dirt. Yeah. Oh, I can see. Another one is, are you hoarding? Are you like storing some dirt? Like both of them are playing with the dirts. Where's the dump truck?
Oh no.
Yeah, here's the dump truck too. There's a medium-sized one.
No.
There's a smaller version. There's a bigger version of these Caterpillar trucks. I have them as well.